Yes, now I think so I am audible. Yes, yes, now I am audible, right? Okay, great, great. So let's quickly start the session, है ना? So in today's session, what I have done is that I have brought some of the questions which were from previous year questions. Like the previous year questions are actually very easy. So we are going to solve those previous year questions. And after that, I have written some of the questions for you all. So we will solve these types of questions. Okay. So first of all, whatever NEET level questions let's solve, you will get an idea that what's the level of NEET and how much you need to work hard or how much I need to work hard. So when we are going to done with that, we are going to solve the other questions. Clear everyone? Okay, great. Now, so let's quickly start the session. The very first question here you have is what is saying that a heterozygous pea plant, okay, a heterozygous pea plant with violet flower was crossed with homozygous pea plant with white flower. Now, the question is saying that the violet is dominant over white, and which one of the following represents the expected combinations among 40 progenies? Yes. Take your time, do the questions, and let me know in the comment section. Okay. If not, then I'll solve. So the question is saying what? Heterozygous pea plant is there. Now you know what is heterozygous. Heterozygous pea plant with violet flower. That means one recessive will be there, one dominant will be there. In the question, it's also given which is dominant, which is recessive, right? So first of all, to solve these type of questions, we have to do what? We have to write the genotype. Okay, let's see if Shri Shai answer is correct or wrong. Let us see that. So first of all, in this type of question, let's write the genotype. And after the genotype, we are going to get the answer very clearly. Yes, Shivesh. So I think so the answer is A, right? For everyone? Okay, let's see. So the heterozygous pea plant with violet flower. Heterozygous pea plant with violet flower. So should I write the genotype like this? Capital V and small v. Now it says that it is crossed with the homozygous white flower. Homozygous white flower. So the genotype for the next parent will be small v, small v. Yes, exactly. Small v, small v. Yes or no? And the violet is dominant. Violet is dominant. So what kind of gametes it will be formed? From this case, we are going to form the gametes as, we are going to get two gametes, right? Capital V and small v. And from here, we are going to get small v. Yes or no? So how much types of gametes we are going to get? Let's see here. This is going to be fertilized with this capital V, and then from here to here, that will be small v, small v. So Sri Shai and Shivesh, your answer was what? Your answer was 30 violet and 10 white. Your answer was 30 violet and 10 white, right? Can you check whether it is correct or wrong? Whether it is correct or wrong. See here. I solved this way. I have solved this way. Yes, exactly. Got it? Got it? Where was your mistake? See, as soon as we saw the question, we were like, okay, it is Mendelian cross, monohybrid cross, and the ratio will be 3:1. So 30 and 10. No, but they have changed the genotype, right? 3:1 we got for this combination. If the combination was this, na, capital V, small v, then we would have got 3:1. So the correct answer here is this one, which is 20 violet and 20 white. Clear to everyone? See, it was an easy question. Now, Sri Shai and Shivesh, what you need to do is that you have made the mistake here. Note it down somewhere and write that this was a silly mistake. Obviously, you know that if you would have solved in this way, the answer would have came correctly. But due to the little ignorance and थोड़ा सा जल्दी करने के चक्कर में answer गलत हो गया. So write it down that you have made a silly mistake. Done? Okay, no issues, Shrishai. When we make mistake, we learn from the mistakes, right? This question was asked in NEET 2023. It was very easy. Yes or no? Now, let's move on with this particular question, which is why I have written here. The answer will be this. Okay. Now, let's move on with this question. The question says, see, I have not written all those 4 statements for assertion and reason. And one more surprise I have, that today you're going to get the DPPs for photosynthesis. I have made the DPPs, just I'm proofreading it. And in case there is some mistakes or something like that, you can just let me know in the comments, okay? The mistakes will be majority spelling mistakes or some silly mistakes, okay? Which I definitely make while typing. So almost the DPPs are made. I'll upload it today, or maybe by tomorrow morning it will be uploaded for photosynthesis. For genetics, it will be uploaded little later. And for your comfortability, I have also done one thing. I have made a schedule for the whole week. So you can check which session, when, what chapter we are going to do next, at what time we are going to do next, whether it will be a live session or whether it will be a recorded session, whether it be a premiere session. Everything I have mentioned there for class 11. Class 12, I'll do it today. Okay. So the question says assertion and reason. The assertion is this, the reason is this. Now you need to figure it out which option is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 statements, right? One statement says that assertion is true and the reason is true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion, which is 1. Assertion is true, reason is true, but they are not interlinked. Assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true. A is correct and R is wrong. Yes, A is correct and R is wrong. Clearly, that's great. It says that Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold good for the genes that are located closely on the same chromosomes. Yes, this is totally fine. This is totally fine. This is the case of what? This is the case of linkage, we can say, right? Already we have not studied linkage, but we know like this is the case of linkage. Next, what? This statement says closely located genes assorted independently. So this is totally wrong. Closely located genes are assorted. They are dependent on each other. They are linked to each other. Clear? Yes, very good. Very good, Srishai. The answer will be what? The answer will be 3. Clear to everyone? Any doubts? Great. So should we move forward? Should we move forward? Yes. Okay. Now what? Now we have this question. This is very easy question. I'm not going to read this question. Read and do it fast. Fast, within microseconds, give me the answer. This question is very, very easy. I get your comments little bit late. Okay. This question is very easy. The production of gametes, it says the production of gametes by the parents, the formation of zygotes, the production of gametes by the parents, यहाँ पे comma होगा, the formation of zygotes, the F1 and F2 plants can be understood using Punnett square. Exactly. Option number C is the correct answer. Punnett square. Very good. Now, this question we have, and what you have to do is that you have to just, this was also a PYQs in NEET 2020 1 or 2, 2021 or 2022 it came, and what they have asked to match the following, but to make it little analytical questions, I have not given you the options. So what you need to do is that you need to write the phenotype of you need to state that this ratio represents what kind of thing. Let's suppose, is it representing genotypic ratio of F1 generation? Is it representing phenotypic ratio of F1 generation? That's how you have to answer this question. This is how you have to answer this question. Try it once. Try it once. Yes. Very easy question. A is what? A is, don't make mistakes. A is what? Shrisha, you have to write A is what? Is it representing the ratio of phenotype of F1 generation, is it representing the ratio of phenotype or genotype of F1 generation or F2 generation, like that? Should I do it once? एक question मैं कर दूं? Okay, see, I'll do this one because this is very easy na. 9 is to, okay, that one you don't know. See, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 is what? 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 represents the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross of F2 generation, right? So phenotypic ratio, see, if I would have given options na, फटाफट से हो जाते हैं. Phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross, yes, dihybrid cross of F2 generation, yes, great. 3 is to 1, 3 is to 1. For 3 is to 1, what we can have? For 3 is to 1, what we can have? From 3 is to 1, what we can have? See, phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. Yes, very good. Phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. Yes. Phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. Rest all students are sleeping today for Sunday, huh? They haven't come of monohybrid cross. Great. 1 is to 2 is to 1. 1 is to 2 is to 1 is what? BF2 of incomplete dominance. F2, phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance. Yes, we can. Phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance. Yes, phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance. See, this thing can be done with the options only, because 1 is to 2 is to 1 is having lots of possibility. I could have also, you could have also said that, so this also represents the genotypic ratio of F1 generation of monohybrid cross, right? So we have 2 to 3 possibilities here. Now, what is 1 is to 1? The 1 is to 1 is the test cross. Remember test cross? Test cross, where we used to, the parents is what? The parents which is produced in F1 generation is again crossed with the recessive parents. Sorry, the offspring which is produced in the F1 generation is crossed with the recessive parents. That was test cross. Yes or no? Remembered? Srishai remembered? Shivesh remembered? Yes? Chalo, great. टेस्ट क्रॉस याद नहीं है क्या? याद है तो अच्छी बात है, वरना रिवाइज करके आना पड़ेगा टेस्ट क्रॉस. Okay, now what you have to do is that you know that you are not able to solve the question for the test cross. So write it somewhere that you have to revise test cross. Clear? Great. Now, this question, this type of question is very, kind of pathetic, sir, that we are not able to solve it much. So let's see. I will help you to solve this question. Read the question first. Read the question first. There are, what is the accepted percentage of F2 progeny with yellow progeny and inflated pod? Okay, sir. And in dihybrid cross experiment involving pea plants with green colored inflated pod and yellow colored constricted pod. See, the question has played a little game with you all, but it's very easy. Yellow. The spelling of yellow I have written is yellow. W is gone here. What is the expected percentage? See, I am going to launch so many things for you. We have planned a very good thing for you all, guys. Like, see, we are doing the chapters. Chapters will be done, okay? Slowly, each and every chapters we will be able to complete. For photosynthesis in around 18th, we will be able to complete 3 more days photosynthesis. But we and Uma Shankar sir has decided to give you something more so that you should have the diverse practice, right? See, if you are in class 12th, you have to revise class 11th. And the best revision method is with the questions. So we are launching something for you. The video is not out yet because today today's Sunday and team is having holiday, and I should not say them to upload the video, because to make a single class they have to work a lot in the whole week. So let's take them rest today. Tomorrow they will give the video to you, and tomorrow you will be able to know what we are doing. Okay, yes, answer this. What is the expected percentage of F2 progeny with yellow progeny and inflated pod in dihybrid cross experiment, okay, involving pea plants with green colored and inflated pod? Now you have to figure it out that whether this green color is dominant or is recessive. Figure it out. And then we have yellow colored and constricted pod. Yellow color and constricted pod. Once you are able to make the genotype, then this question is very easy. So the only thing you have to figure it out that, sir, what is the genotype here? So see, let's write green colored and inflated pod. So in dihybrid cross, we have seen that green was recessive. So can I write here, for the first one, can I write here the genotype will be capital Y, and inflated was what? Inflated was dominant or recessive? Inflated was dominant or recessive? Inflated word was dominant. Okay, so can I write here inflated as capital I? Clear, sir? Yes. Now what? Yellow colored constricted pods. So yellow is capital Y, and small I. So these are what? These are your parents. Not your parents, means these are the parents of your experiment. Okay, so now let's make the gametes. How to make the gametes, sir? Here the gametes will be what? Here the gametes will be Y, capital I, and here we will get the gametes as capital Y and small I. Yes or no? Right? Two types of gametes we have got. Right? Clear? Okay. Two types of gametes. Number of gametes will be what? Total 4. Because see, how 4, sir? Okay, I'll explain you. See, this Y and this I is gonna come. Yes or no? In the similar manner, this Y and this I is gonna come. So one parent is giving 2 gametes. Here also, capital Y and small I, capital Y and small I. So in total we have 4 gametes. Now do you remember I taught you to make the Punnett square? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So now how many types of how many total gametes we have? 4. So from each parents we are going to have this kind of gametes, right? Let's make the Punnett square here. So one parent is making what? Capital Y, capital I. So green is dominant in pod color. Is that so? I am so sorry. Did I made a mistake? No, green is recessive, na? Pod color, is it so? Let me check. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Did we made a mistake? Okay, I am so sorry. The seed color yellow is dominant. In seed, yellow is dominant, and in green colored inflated pod. Okay, yes. So yellow is recessive. So sorry guys, I am so sorry. I didn't pay attention. So ये हो जाएगा capital Y, और ये हो जाएगा small y. Yes, thank you so much Sri Shai. Yes, clear? So but everything will be same है ना, कुछ ज़्यादा changes नहीं आएंगे. तो यहाँ पे gametes बनाते हैं हम. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? capital Y, small I, sorry, capital I, capital Y, small I, capital Y, capital I, and small y, small I, right? Similarly यहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, capital Y, capital I, capital Y, small I, capital small y and capital I, and here also small y and small I. Okay? So this is how you can make the Punnett square, and when you are in the examination, this thing has to be done very quickly, right? Now you are going to arrange things, and then you are going to check that how many of what is the percentage of yellow progeny and inflated pod. So when you are going to fill this, the yellow progeny and inflated pot will be what? It will be 6 in numbers. Okay. How much, sir? It will be 6 in numbers. See. It will be 6 in numbers. Yes or no? Sorry, 9 in numbers. It will be 9. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It will be 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write this. We will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more we will be having here, which will be 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, in total, we will be having 9 progenies, which is having yellow progeny and inflated pod. Okay. So, in total, what was the total number of progenies, sir? 16. How many progeny is having yellow progeny and inflated pod, sir? 9 of them. So, 9 upon 16 multiplied by 100 will be what? Will be the answer. Yes, 9 upon 16 multiplied by 100 will be the answer. Yes or no? What will be the answer? Can you calculate it fast? Shri Shai, can you calculate this one? 9 upon 16 multiplied by 100, what will be? What will be? Will it be 56.25? Will it be 100? Will it be 18.75? What will be it? 9 upon 16 will be what? It will be, yes, any answers? Fast, fast, fast. Or should I calculate? Do you want me to calculate? 56.25, exactly. This will be the correct answer. Okay, great. So, I made a mistake in this question. I should have paid more attention. Pod color, yes, pod color and seed color. So, you can also make the mistake in this. Okay, so every time when you are solving this question, pay attention. Now we have this question. I don't know what happened to the font of this particular question, but let's read it out. A certain plant is homozygous for yellow seeds and red flower. Okay, a certain plant is homozygous for yellow seed and red flower, was crossed with the plant, was crossed with a plant homozygous for green seeds and white flowers. The F1 plants had yellow seeds and pink flowers. The F1 plants were served to get F2 progeny. Assuming independent assortment of 2 characters, how many phenotypic characteristics are expected for these characters in F2 generation? This is a very good question. This question is very good. A very good question. I am going to give you time. I won't help you in the first go. Okay. Apply your brain and then I'm going to help you. I have decided to launch some of the recorded videos in upcoming week, okay, like NCRT reading, all the PYQs sessions. So these lectures I will give you recorded, or I'll sit with you, I'll premiere those lectures so that we can interact in the comment sections, okay, right, clear? So no lectures should be left, because if you're going to leave, see, we have to crack NEET, right? And to crack NEET, we have to give our full potential. At the last, there should be no regret that, okay, I could have done this, I could have done that. So whatever we can do, we will do here, okay? Chalo. Any answers, any hint? Okay, when you want me to give a hint, let me know, okay? If you want me to give a hint, let me know. And Shri Shai, you are from Manipur, right? This question came into NEET 2023 Manipur 1. Manipur variant में ये question आया था. The exam due to the clashes happened ना again. मणिपुर में एग्जाम नीट का कैंसिल हुआ था, दोबारा हुआ था, उसमें ये आया था. How you can solve this? It's easy ना, ये बस पूछ रहा है number of phenotypes. How many number of phenotypes? So hard. It's easy. You know, we have done this thing once. we have done something like this. See. Okay. We have the F1 plants which were said to get F2 progeny. Okay. The F1 plant had yellow seeds and pink flowers. Okay. The F1 plant has yellow seeds and pink flowers, and F1 plant were said to get F2 progeny. Okay. ठीक है, great. So see, yellow seed and pink flowers. So here we had what? Homozygous yellow seed and red flower and green. So yellow seeds will be what? Capital Y multiplied by capital R, this will be the parents one. Okay, this is crossed with the green seed and white flower. It is also homozygous. So small y and small r. Great, sir. Okay. Now when we are getting the progeny, when 6, yes, the answer is 6. Yes. When we are getting the progeny, we are getting what? My capital Y and small y is looking same. I'll write it like this. When we are getting writing the progeny, we will be having capital Y, capital R and small r. Clear, sir? Yes. Then again we have done selfing. Capital Y, capital R, small r. Then we are going to make that Punnett square and all those things. See, this is what? This is a dihybrid cross only, right? This is what? This is a dihybrid cross. How many? And you know, there is a thing which I should say you about how to find this thing. Okay. So, how many? Is it 4? No, it's not 4. It's 6. It's 6. Okay. So, in total, how many things we are having here? In total, like see, if you make the Punnett square, you will get to know that there are total 6 types of phenotype. Okay. 6 types of phenotype. Should I solve it the whole? Pura solve करूं क्या? Should I solve it? Tell me. Do I need to solve it या हो जाएगा काम? Okay. Tell me fast. If you'd say me, I'll solve it. See, gametes क्या बनेंगे इसमें? The gametes will be what? It will be capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, then small y, capital R, and then small y, small r. Yes? Yes or no? These gametes will be made, and combination of gametes will give us what? It will give us yellow seed and red flower. Okay? Yellow seeds and red flower we can get. Then we can get yellow seeds and pink flower also. In general, what? If pink flower was not there, we would have got 4 phenotypes, right? But we have now pink flower also. So 2 extra phenotypes can be added here. So we can have what? We can have 6 phenotypes. Yes or no? Hi Satyam, how are you? Yes. No issues. See, no issues. Slow and steady wins the race. If we are going to learn, see, if again this type of question will come to your exam, then what is going to happen? You are going to able to solve it very quickly. Yes or no? Yes? Great. Now, this one is an easy question. I would like you all to solve this one very quickly. It's a very easy peasy question. Very easy question. I have some of the good questions. Right now, whatever we are doing is from PYQs. Yahan se we will start with the questions which I have framed for you all. Okay? Chalo. Solve this question. What happened to my screen? Please, my screen, come back. Don't play games with us. Yeah, we are having a wonderful session. Yeah, it's correct. Satyam, very fine. Great. In which class you are, Satyam, and from where you are? Solve it. This question is easy. Don't take much time. Huh? Don't take much time for this question. Oh, is there any issues with my screen, guys? B, C and D. B, C and D. Select the correct statements. In Anthridium, a red flower, okay sir, Anthridium. Remember, yes, last class we did. A red flower was crossed with a white flower, okay sir. A red flower, is it a case of codominance or incomplete dominance? Is this a case of codominance or incomplete dominance, guys? Fast. Red flower, capital R, was crossed with the white flower, small r, and in F1 generation we got the pink flower. Snapdragon, yes. Snapdragon was the name of processor in phone, right? See, these people steal things from biology and they are like, we are engineers, right? Incomplete dominance, exactly. So capital R, smaller. Rather, I should not say like this because due to the engineers only, we are able to have this class, right? So capital R and small r is here. Okay. Now, when pink flower was served, the F2 generation showed white, red and pink flowers. Select the current statement. Law of segregation doesn't apply. Yes. Is this statement correct? Law of segregation doesn't apply here. It applies. It applies. Linkage थोड़ी हो रहा है. Law of segregation, exception to the law of segregation is linkage. Linkage is not happening. So yes, this experiment does not follow the law of principle of dominance. Yes, this is correct. The ratio of F2 is 1:2:1. Okay, correct. The pink color is of F1 is due to the incomplete dominance. Clear. The pink color of F1 is due to the incomplete dominance. Rest all three are correct. Only one is wrong. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Clear to everyone? Great. For what you have written no, what's your name? I have forgotten your name, Sri Shai. Sri Shai. Yeah. How can I forget this, sir? What does this behavior, sir? Chalo. The percentage of AB gametes produced by capital A, small a, capital B, small b will be. This type of questions makes you crazy, na? Percentage nikalo, sir. We left maths because we didn't want to do things. But unfortunately, we landed up to genetics. The percentage of AB gametes produced by capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Tomorrow we have a great surprise for you. Capital A, small b, capital A, small a, capital B, small b parents will be. See, it's a very easy question, na? It's a very easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Don't make mistake here. Satyam, are you trying to solve it? Then give us the answer. I had a friend whose name was Satyam and he was very naughty. He used to eat my lunch during, like, before the lunch period. He used to eat my lunch, and in the lunch period I used to eat his lunch, because how can I be hungry for the whole school day, right? Okay. Answer is A, 25%. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to answer? Anyone else? Okay, we have an answer from someone else. Shivesh. Okay, chalo, let's start. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b. You remember I taught you the fork line method. Yes? Just do it that only. Bifurcate it. If it is heterozygous, bifurcate it. Capital A, small a. Then again, this one is what? This one is again heterozygous, bifurcate it. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. See, this will make what? This will make A, B. This will be capital A, small b. This will be small a, capital B. And this will be, one second, small a, small b. See, total 100. Okay, like suppose I say, I'll solve it. Okay, don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And among 4, 1 is this AB. 1/4 into 100 will be what? It will be 25%. See, I know this much maths only. Zyada nahi aata mujhe maths. I am from. Should I give you a hint? Do you know Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni? MS Dhoni? MS Dhoni, I am from his city. I am from his city. Okay, chalo. Now, let's, this is also a very easy question. A very easy question. Chalo, let's solve this. Pure tall plants are crossed with pure dwarf plant. Pure, बहुत easy question नहीं है. Pure tall plants are crossed with pure dwarf plants in F1 generation. In F1 generation, all plants were tall. These tall plants of F1 generation were celled and the ratio of the tall to dwarf plant. The phenomena observed is A. A होगा क्या? Inheritance, codominance, heredity, ये सब नहीं होगा क्या? Think about it. See, this type of questions comes into NEET and we are like, sir, genetics नहीं आता हमको, मेरे को तो नंबर ही नहीं आएगा genetics में. Right? So, basic things comes in NEET. If our basic is strong, now we can do anything in NEET. ABD. ABD. Yeah, we can say ABD, yes. But if we have to take one as our answer, so dominance will be the correct answer, right? Yes, A will be the correct answer. Great. Law of dominance, exactly. Satyam, where are you from? You asked my place and what if you will come to my place, what I'll do, huh? So I have to know about your place also, na, so that I can come also. Yes or no? Chalo. This one. In Mirabilis and Anthridium plant, the appearance of pink hybrid between this, that indicates. This is also a very easy question. I have not made this question. All the questions I have taken from PYQs. 1. Incomplete dominance. Yes, exactly. Incomplete dominance. Was it a rocket science? No, genetics is very easy, you know. I remembered when, I was in class 11th, class 12th, from all the chapters, I was like, okay, we have to read it, we have to learn it, we have to mug it up. But my genetics teacher was he was very good and he taught me so many things, so many tips and tricks that I'm not going to teach you. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you everything, okay? So first of all, let's make the basics clear and then I'll teach you how to solve questions in fraction of seconds, okay? Abhi nahi, thoda base build up kar lete. After that, we are going to have tips and tricks for genetics. Clear? Codominance. Yes, exactly. Codominance. AB blood group shows codominance. If suppose I would have given blood group in human is an example of. Let's see how many of you do this question correct. And let's add one option in complete codominance, complete dominance. Let's add few options, multiple allelism, okay? And let's add one more option here as pleiotropy. Sri Shai, you have answered it before writing my options. Pleiotropy. Okay, I was like, I am going to give the hard question and you are like, yellow sir answer. Multiple allelism, very good, great. Should I move forward now? This is also easy question. In Mirabilis jalapa, when, I should underline this thing, when Mirabilis jalapa, yes Satyam, multiple. When Mirabilis jalapa, in Mirabilis jalapa, when homozygous red flowered, why I am solving, guys? You solve it. Why I am solving? Multiple allelism. Yes. Yes, Satyam. A. 4. Mirabilis jalapa, when homozygous red flowered, homozygous red flower and white flower, 1:2:1, okay, are crossed. All F1 plants have pink flower, okay. Then in F2 produced by selfing of F1, yes, exactly, 1:2:1. The phenotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. Clear? Great. Okay. So now what you have to do is that after going to, when this session will be over, buy a chocolate for yourself and take my name and eat it, okay, because you are solving the questions correctly. Okay, now comes the probability type of questions. I have brought these type of questions for you because, you know, sometimes we make a mistake and we are like, sir, these probability kind of questions takes lots and lots of time to solve. Okay, so I am going to teach you how we can solve it without having the Punnett square, without remembering anything. Just you have to remember 3:1. Monohybrid cross to aana chahiye. If that is not there, then I can't help you. But if you are able to remember monohybrid cross, you don't remember dihybrid, you don't remember trihybrid, then also you can solve these type of questions. Okay, clear? Okay, ready everyone? So should I solve this first question for you? Then you will solve it by your own, right? So the crossing of capital A and capital B with small a, small b, the probability of this particular would be in F2 generation. So no issues, Satyam, I'll be there. Dhire dhire, I'll give tips and tricks of all types of numericals. In molecular basis of inheritance, there are some questions which are you might not be able to solve, like बीच में mutations कर देते हैं और फिर पूछते हैं कि क्या genetic code होगा. Everything I'll help you. Don't worry. Questions I will take care of it. It will take time, थोड़ा time लगेगा समझने में, but it will be there. You will be able to solve the questions. The genetics chapter will be over and you will be pro in that. It's my promise to you. See, अब तुम कैसे बनाते इसको? How you would have done? Sir, I would have made the gametes and then I would have made the Punnett square and this, that, and then I will think that I am a pro in genetics. No, you are not pro. So how we can do? See, capital A, capital B multiplied by small a, small b. Make the gametes first. Make the progeny, okay? So here we will be having what? Capital A and capital B gametes. Here we will be having small a and small b gametes. Yes or no? My B is like, it has caught polio, huh? Capital A, small b. Okay, sir. Now the how we are going to get the progeny here? So progeny will be capital A, capital B, small b, right? This is also not required. Why? Because in the question it's already given. But how it came, I just showed you. Now what, sir? Now see. Do you remember monohybrid cross? Yes, sir. I remembered the monohybrid cross. Now see the magic. In monohybrid cross, we had 1:2:1 ratio for genotype. One was capital T, 2 was capital T, small t, and 1 was small t. So what you have to do is that, take this. Is it heterozygous condition? Consider this is a monohybrid cross, okay? Is it heterozygous condition? Yes, sir. What is the probability here? The probability here is what? 2/4. Yes or no? The probability is 2/4. If we talk about in monohybrid cross, the probability is 2/4. Okay, sir. Similarly, this is also heterozygous dominant condition. The probability is what? 2/4. Now what? Multiply it and enjoy. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 by 16 is your answer. 4 by 16 is your answer. See. How did you like it? Is it easy? Is this easy? Say yes or no. Yes or no. Tell me in the comment section fast. Did you understood it? समझ में आया क्या? This comment is taking so long, guys. मैंने कुछ ऐसा rocket science बता दिया कि should I explain it again? Nothing. I have done nothing, guys. I have done nothing. See, this is capital A, small a, and capital B, small b. Just take it as a monohybrid cross. Okay, so in monohybrid cross, if capital A, small a would very easy, right? So it will be what? 2/4. This will be what? 2/4. Then multiply it. Yes or no? Shrishai, is it okay? Okay. I'll repeat it, Shrishai. See, Satyam, let's help Shrishai to understand this. Okay. See what I have done. The question has asked that capital A, capital small b, capital A, small a and capital B, small b का phenotype निकालना है, ratios निकालना है. Okay. how, like this are the parent, this is the parent, and if this progeny is formed, then what is the ratio of this progeny? Okay, okay sir. Now what? Consider this as the monohybrid thing. Okay, so in monohybrid we all know that this is what? This is capital, the monohybrid we have capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, and small t, small t. Yes or no? In monohybrid we have this condition, and in monohybrid this is what? 1:2:1. Okay, so the ratio of this condition, which is capital A small a, which is capital T small t, in monohybrid is what? Total two plants are heterozygous dominant upon what? Upon 4. So for this I have written this one. Again for this I will be writing 2/4. Means rather than considering this as a dihybrid cross, I am considering it as a monohybrid cross. And what I have done is that I have just multiplied both the possibilities, and when I have multiplied, so I am getting 4/16. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understood, Sri Shai? Is it clear? Is it clear, Sri Shai? Satyam clear? Satyam ko to clear hai. Okay. Okay. Now let's solve this question. This question you are going to solve by your own. This question you are going to solve by your own. 1 second. No. Heterozygous. Wait. I'll give you the question. Yeah. Try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. Sri Shai, is it clear? Sri Shai, is it clear? Can we apply this for parents? Yes, we can apply. We can definitely apply. See, okay, I'm going to give you another question. See, suppose that we have this thing. Okay, 1 second. Kahan gaya mera khali wala sheet? Capital A. Can you see, like, what I am doing is that I have chosen black color to write on the black sheet. See, capital A. Something happened to my screen or what? 1 second, people. iPad says that, oh, you're not paying attention to me, you're paying attention to these people. I'm not gonna work for you. See, capital A, okay, and let's have capital B, small b, okay, and the parents are what? The parents are, let's suppose, the parents are capital A, okay, leave the parents now. We are not required parents. Parents are not required here. I am telling that find the ratio of this particular genotype of this particular genotype in the dihybrid cross. So, sir, how we can do? See, Satyam, you want to try? Satyam, you want to try this question? Try it once. Everyone try. How we can do? See, you just have to consider them as a monohybrid cross. So in monohybrid cross, we have seen that capital T, small t, small t is there. Yes, sir. And here we have what? Here we have this one is 1. Homozygous condition is 1, sir. Okay. Heterozygous condition is 2. And again, homozygous recessive is 1. So what we have to do is that iska ratio kya aa jayega? Iska ratio aa jayega 1/4. Yes or no? 1/4. The ratio for this will be what? The ratio for this will be again 2/4. So now what will be the total ratio? 2/8, which will be 1/4. Yes or no? Clear? Satyam, and 2/16. 2/16. Oh, yeah. Sorry. 4 4s are 16. What, sir? What is this behavior? Huh? What you are doing? Huh? 2/16. Yes or no? 1/8. Clear to everyone? 1/8. Clear to everyone? Easy? Should I give you one more? एक और दूं क्या? Okay, after this I'll give you the tri-hybrid question. Tri-hybrid may what you have to do is that 3 conditions, consider all of them as 3 monohybrid cross and multiply it. Okay, so A, B, C and C. Do it. A, B, C, C. Yes, this is what I'm gonna teach you. And this is where you can, you can be fast in biology so that you can give lots and lots of time to physics and chemistry, right? Because biology, we have to solve it within, try to solve it within 40, max to max 50 minutes or max to max in an hour, not more than that. If you are taking more than an hour in biology, physics, chemistry is gone. 1/8, okay? Trihybrid, answer is 8/64, 1/8. Okay, let's see. This is what? This is 2/4. This is 2/4. This is 2/4. This is also 2/4. Yes or no? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. Yes. Satyam got the answer. Satyam, answer आया क्या? Yes or no? Yes, it's easy. It's easy, Shivesh. It's very easy. Right? Okay. Now do this question. Do this question. Wait. This one. This question. A trihybrid cross is done between the plants having this. How many offsprings of genotype capital A, so sorry, small a, small b, and small c is produced? Easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Every Sunday we are going to have a quiz session, okay? But not the upcoming Sunday. This Sunday, the upcoming Sunday, I think so, I will be going out with my family the next Sunday, I think so. So if not on Sunday, I'll take an extra class on Monday for the quiz session. Okay? Okay? 2/4. Yes, yes, Satyam. Very easy. Answer is A. 1/64. 1/64. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for the answer for Satyam. Satyam, we need your answer. We need your answer, Satyam. Shivesh, we need your answer too. We won't left you, Shivesh. Don't worry. Yes, everyone's answer is yes. Very easy. This is there. See, you don't need to see the parents also. Solve it here directly. 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 16 4s are 64. Yes. Okay. Okay. Do this question. Do this question. See, some questions don't say that whether it is okay. First solve this question, then I'm going to say anything. Otherwise, you people are going to have a hint. When I, for what, Shrishai, how I scared you? See, I'm so good looking, right? How you can get scared me by seeing my face? I'm not basically. A, answer is A. Is it so? Answer is A. You know what? When I used to like take classes, poll sessions, so what happened was, like, students were very clever. They used to see where my cursor is going. Like the options I used to select, here we have A, B, C and D options, right? So when I used to select option C, they used to figure it out that, okay, sir's cursor is here, that means the answer is C. Then from the next time I used to pre-fill the answers, and then I used to give them to the answers. You guys are very clever. Oh, okay. This is what? This answer is A. A. Is it so? Yes. Yes. Can red, white and pink flower. Okay, let's see. Capital R, small r. C. Let's check it. Which cross yields red, white and pink flowers? Variety of dog flower. Okay. It should be like in F2 generation, I think so, right? In F2 generation. Because in F1 generation, at any cost, we will having pink flowers only. It's saying red, white and pink. See, so capital R, small r. So it will be what? Here will be capital R, and then multiplied by capital R, then capital R and small r, and then we are going to get, yes, answer C is correct. Yes, answer C is correct. It's all. No, how it's all? See, I'm going to help you. Capital R and small r is there, okay? See, capital R capital R. What happened to my page? Yes, capital R and small r is there. Then if you are going to cross it, you are going to get this gamete, capital R and small r, yes or no? Then you are going to have capital R and small r, and then you are going to have capital R and small r. 1 second. No, this won't release, na? This won't give you the, because if we are going to cross it, how we are going, here we are just going to get this gamete, right? We are just going to get this combination, which is capital R and small r combination, right? Here, let me once check it. These options we have, which cross yields red, white and okay. So capital R and small r, smaller. From here we are just going to get capital R and we are going to get small r. Okay, okay. From here we are going to have capital R and small r multiplied by small r and small r. So here we are going to get capital R, small r and small r. I think so there is something, oh, it's for F1 generation. Yes. Yes. Is it so? Thank you, Satyam. Thanks a lot. Okay, got it? आगे समझ में श्रीशाई? Clear? Is it clear? Everyone? Great. Now find this question. Find the answer to this question. Heterozygous tall plant were crossed with dwarf plant. Find the ratio of dwarf plant. This is also very easy. This question also you can do it like that, 1/4 or something like that. Just याद रखना, अगर मान लो तुमने वो ये मेथड से सॉल्व किया है कोई भी क्वेश्चन को और परसेंटेज पूछ रहा है, तो जैसे मान लो इसका मैंने परसेंटेज पूछ लिया, 1/8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 कर देना फिर, right? So you will get the percentage. Try to solve this question first and then we will solve this question and then we will over the class. Okay, solve this question. Great, Satyam, great. Heterozygous tall plant. Satyam, we have a link. I'll share you the link where you can download the notes and see your schedule. It's basically a Excel sheet in which I have made like whatever it's possible by my end, I am doing it. So you can download the notes and all those things from there. Okay, star mark it, everyone. When you open it, star mark that link. For my class, everything will be there for you. I'm also trying to arrange like all the classes in one only, because during abhi to theek hai, abhi the channel it is new. When you are going to have lots and lots of videos, then it will be very difficult to search for you. So just what you need to do is that open that link, click the video and watch the class. Ratio is 1:1. Heterozygous tall, capital T, small t were crossed with the dwarf, small t. The ratio of dwarf plant is, so now here what type of gametes we are getting? See, whenever you are in confusion, na, make the Punnett square. The gametes we are getting is capital T and small t, and then we are getting what? Small t. Okay, so how to make Punnett square here, sir? See, I'll be little side. Okay, so Punnett square यहाँ कैसे बनाएंगे? We have this. See, we have capital T, small t, and this will be small t. So capital T, small t, small t, small t. Yes, so the answer will be 50. Clear? I'll after the class, Satyam, I'll send the link in the comments. Okay, class के बाद I'll add the link. Or Shrisha, if you have the link, can you put it in the chat box right now? If you have the link, if you can do it, do it. If not, after the class, I'll update that. Okay. Now, the last question for this session. The percentage of AB gametes produced by AABB parent will be. This is also a very easy peasy question, sir. I think we have done this question or what? Have we done this? No. Check this one. Check this one. Tomorrow, again, 4 o'clock, we will do the genetics. 6:30, plant physiology. In plant physiology, tomorrow I'll help you to clear out the Kelvin cycle. We'll study the Kelvin cycle and non-cyclic and cyclic like phosphorylation, all those things we will be studying. And in genetics, I'll be starting with the pleiotropy, I think so. Okay. 25. 25. Is it so? Let me solve it. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b. I think so we have done this question, right? किया हमने ये question. टक टक टक. Yes, guys, we have done this question. भूल जाते हो तुम. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. So this will be great. Great. You have to use my formula. A, B, small a, small b, and this. Okay? So this will be what? This will be 25%. Okay? Or else the percentage of AB gametes produced. Yes, this will be 25. Clear to everyone? Any doubts anywhere? Any doubts anywhere? Okay. So most probably tomorrow at V. Anuma Shankar is going to, sir is going to have a video. Watch that video, and in that video I want to see your comments that we are ready for the 75 days challenge. Okay, everyone, I need to see your comments, and there will be some task which I am going to give you daily. You have to do something. I'm not going to say a lot of things because Uma Shankar sir said that this is a surprise and I am revealing that surprise here. So he is going to kill me. No, he is not going to kill me. He is a very good teacher. So what you have to do is that every day, whatever the task V and sir is going to give you, you have to finish that task, and in the comment section, you have to write hashtag day 1 completed. Okay, everyone? Dihybrid 1. Which one? Which one? B. Yes, B. Satyam B. Dihybrid 1, which one? Can you again type the one? How can we improve our speed? See, speed will be improved by practicing only. Okay, it will not be improved overnight. I don't have any tips and tricks for improvement of speed. You and only you can improve your speed by practicing. Okay, just remember now, once if now I ask you to write the A to Z, you will be able to write it very quickly, right? But when you were in KG or LKG or something like that, it took time. So as soon as you are going to develop concepts, you are going to develop practice, speed is going to automatically come. So don't worry about the speed. It will definitely going to come. Slowly, I will make you to improve. Like we will have the mock test, we'll have so many tests and all. So I'll tell you how to improve speeds. First of all, let's clear the concepts. Okay. How can we improve? Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone now? Shrisha, I am not able to understand what you're asking. Like, can you repeat the dihybrid one? Dihybrid means what? Like this one you are saying? That cross? This one what? Ye wala kya? Shrisha, this one? Tell me. This one or what? The comments and the live is little bit. Anyone? Okay, okay. ठीक है, चलो. I'll explain this one. I'll explain this one. See. So let's suppose we have capital A or small a and capital B, capital B. So this is a dihybrid cross. Okay, so this is a dihybrid cross. Now what? Now what you have to do is that think about the monohybrid cross. In monohybrid cross, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, small t, small t. Okay, clear? Now, we know this 1/4, this is 2/4 and this is 1/4. We know the ratio. Now what? Capital A and small a is heterozygous dominant. So write the ratio 2/4. Write the ratio 2/4. Capital B is homozygous dominant. So for this, write the ratio 1/4. So then 2 1s are 2, 4 4s are 16. This is the answer. Okay, got it, Srishai? Now clear? And इसको अगर काट लेंगे तो 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1/8. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Say me. Clear? Understood? Okay, great. So now you can enjoy your Sunday. Spend some time with your families in today's evening, right? We see, studies are okay, we have to study a lot, but we have to make our mind fresh also. Okay, so go out today with your friends, enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your evening, and then from tomorrow again we will start working hard. Okay, till then, bye bye everyone. See you in the next class. I hope that you liked this session, and if you like this session, share these sessions among your friends and families and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow at 4 o'clock and 6:30.